my name is Matthew Wynn. I'm going to be showing you a tool that allows you to compile multiple companies' financial statements into a data pipeline that feeds into a database online that can be pulled into business analytics tools like Power BI or Tableau, and allows you to take real-time reporting and real-time aggregation of your portfolio or subsidiary companies. This software will be flexible and scalable, allowing you to add multiple companies and aggregate their financials over time to track metrics, KPIs, and also prepare consolidated and aggregated financial statements, giving you ratios, trends, forecasting, and an overall dashboard to look at the performance of specific portfolio companies. We call it Portco Compiler. There is a customized aspect of this piece of software that allows you to download a desktop application or a web application to work within your organization's needs. So without further ado, I'm going to go into a presentation and a short little demo of how the data pipeline works and how the dashboard works as well.
Like I said, it is a compiler that allows you to easily consolidate financial statements into a clean format so you can do some analysis on. All right, it's going to help with financial planning, reporting, and analysis. Really cool tool, and can be customized for whatever situation. It can accommodate as many companies as needed. All right, so here's the steps to compile. It's going to start with a manual folder drop on X date. That folder can either live on the cloud somewhere or it can live on your desktop. We're going to customize the application for your needs. There's going to be an ETL framework that cleans the financial statements and the related financial documents, just depending on your requirements. It's going to push this information to Azure. For this purpose, it could be something like MongoDB or another database, Google, GCP, it doesn't really matter. Going to be queried into a business analytic tool like Power BI or Tableau. The data is going to be aggregated and analyzed into a dashboard that we have built out for you already. And then obviously we can continue to build out that dashboard once the data is already in there. And then lastly, it's going to be able to be exported to things like Excel or whatever other tools you want to use. And that's pretty much the steps. Here's a quick little flow chart of the different tools and the technologies that we're using for this compiler. So I'll skip this, let you look at it quickly. There's a more technical flow. If you click on this button here, it'll take you to a Miro board. But essentially what this does is it allows you to easily consolidate and aggregate your financial statements for related or unrelated parties and put them into a dashboard that you can easily manipulate the data yourself, or as we said, we build dashboards for you that are going to be pre-built once this launches. So dashboard looks something like this, but let's do a quick demo so you can see how exactly it works. All right, so essentially what you're going to do is you're going to hit this Run Notebooks file. It's going to be in your folder. It will also live on an application like this on your desktop. It'll look something like this with your company logo or whatever. And what it's going to do now is it's going to pop up a modal. All right, so this modal is going to pop up. And this is just our demo test. So we're going to click Run Notebooks. All right, it's almost done running. That progress bar will show you how much time it's got left. And I will bring you to SSMS now, where the data lives. All right, now it's successfully pushed the data to SSMS. So we'll set up an Azure database for you or whatever database you want to use. We're just going to use SQL Server Management Studio for this demo. And I'm just going to show you really quickly how the data looks. As you can see, it stored the data for the different months. And as you aggregate your folder, so what you'll do is you'll have a drop folder where you drop your data. In this example, we have some sample financial statements and some different financial files as well. Is you'll go into your business analytics tool like Power BI, and I'll pull it up on desktop, but it can also live on the web on app.powerbi.com. It's completely up to you. You can integrate it to your guys' website or whatever you'd like to view it on. All right, you can look at one company at a time, or you can look at multiple companies at the same time. I'm going to go back and put all the companies up here. And what's really cool is there's some different built-in tools that we've already built out, like a currency exchange. You can filter by the dates. It gives you a dashboard of some key metrics like total assets, total liabilities, a ratio dashboard, gives you a free cash flow, and you can even drill into these even more to export them as their own data. So you can export this free cash flow into a CSV file and do some more analysis if you'd like. And all of these are also stored as tables. So I can show this net income summary as a table. As you can see here, I have the operating income, the net income, and the total income from these three companies. If I wanted to drill down into one, I can click here. I can also drill down into the different tools. And we also have some other dashboards, forecasting, financial statistics that we can also customize and have be built into the pipeline. But essentially, it will come straight into a dashboard like this. And then whenever you need to refresh the data, let's say you put in some new financial statements, made the old ones obsolete, let's say at the beginning of the month or the end of the month or during some type of event where you need to change some of the financial statements, all you got to do is click refresh. And this Power BI dashboard is going to be hooked up to your SQL Server Management Studio or whatever server you decide you want to use, GCP, whatever your company uses. And okay, we have the refresh balances. Nothing's going to happen because I haven't updated anything. But yeah, that's essentially it. And like I said, we are happy to customize the dashboard for your needs. And we can add as many companies as we need as well. If we want to drill down into specific metrics, we can. And the rest is kind of just bells and whistles for your dashboard. But I wanted to show you guys this demo and this sample. I hope you guys have a great day. I just wanted to put some last key points. Doing something like this and building a custom desktop application or web application for your private equity group or your financial services company that might have some subsidiaries is extremely helpful because it helps automate those processes at end of the month closing. It also helps you make better decisions because you know your data is clean and your data is being fed into a systematic business analytic tool that consistently aggregates and compiles the data, so you have real-time view on how your companies are performing. You get insights to all of your companies at a high level. You can drill down into specific companies as well. And again, we work with whoever we integrate our software with to customize the dashboards for your specific company's needs. And it's seamless to integrate new portfolio companies and new financial statements due to the way our ETL framework is created. So it's easy to drop in a new company, a new acquisition, and that kind of thing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick screen share and presentation. If you guys have any questions, just let me know. Thanks so much and have a good rest of your day. Hope you guys enjoy. Take care.